Has your ceiling fan stopped working completely or simply lost one or more of the 3 speeds it used to operate at? It could be a capacitor in your fan has burned out or is beginning to burn out. Capacitor is located in this cup unit at the lower part of your ceiling fan. Your ceiling fan may or may not have a light fixture. If so, the cup unit of the ceiling fan may be located above the light fixture. The cup unit is identified as having the pull chain for the fan speeds, as well as possibly a reverse switch for the fan. Several screws located around the top edge of the ceiling fan cup will be the way to remove the cup unit from the bottom of the fan in most cases. Upon removing the top 3 screws, you may notice a connector, cube shape with a bundle of wires going in either side. That can simply be unplugged from the fan unit. This is where you'll locate your capacitor. That could be the culprit. Here it would be an example of several capacitors that are clearly and visibly burned out. Even without the swelling or bulging of the capacitor, it still could be a defective part. This would be an example of a new capacitor with smooth surfaces on all sides. This information on the face of the capacitor involving a diagram with numbers indicating the values is the information that's going to be helpful in replacing your capacitor. If this is what you find, a simple call to Dan's Fan City with this information, and we can repair your fan with a new capacitor.